Auntie, are you by any chance related to Alariwo of Africa? Ṣé you are related to? Ṣé wọ́n máa ń lo ìlù gángan ní family or wọ́n máa ń play any musical instrument bíi trumpet? Wọn kì í play. Ṣé ti gbé face me and face you rí? Àwọn onílé tó ń gbé ó máa close mọ́ra àwọn tó ń gbé you can call your neighbor from the next house wọ́n máa gbọ́. Because ohun yìí loud. Throughout your presentation, I had to hold my ears. Ẹ kàn ń pariwo ni. Ẹ̀yin gbé speaker mi ni. If this is how you want to be talking as a founder, wọ́n lè pè yí fún seminar, wọ́n lè pè yí fún conference, because you don't even need speaker. Tó bá ti gbé o ní sẹ́nu báyìí wọ́n máa gbọ́ nílé kejì ni. When you come to present like this, you stay calm. Even if you have a baritone voice, ẹ máa low key ẹni. Even me, this is not my presentation voice. If I present by Boma Soro in a much calmer note, ẹ máa sọ̀rọ̀ bí olówó. Because there's a way. If you're asking for a particular amount of money, tó bá ṣe gbéra ẹ̀ náà wọ́n ṣe máa fún ẹ. Tó bá sọ̀rọ̀ bí conductor, mo máa ní, hey, this person, how can I invest in your business? Even me, I was scared. At some point, that felt more arrow giving it because your voice was really giving me, I was palpitations. I was so scared. Is this lady fighting with us or are we safe here? But tó bá sọ̀rọ̀ pẹ̀lú olówó, as you are saying you want $40 million by, I go myself, okay, yeah, this person is a soft babe. Oh, we can trust her with that amount of money. Well, can only say that. Are you sure that you've not done music before? Be Fuji music. What you calling in Pasuma? Is this your normal voice? This is not even your normal voice. This is your bedroom voice. If you don't want to hear your normal voice, I had to hold my ears, right? I didn't know how to present to. I'm sorry, but that voice, information to pass. I didn't even hear anything because I was just holding on for dear life. She about to beat us. Is she about to fight us? I'm out.